Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about the short video that I uploaded with the Valentine's items that you see here on my desk. I thought it would be cool to just kind of give you guys an idea of the stuff that I bought. I also didn't show these in my last short video. These are actually the mini cake pans that I bought, so I'll be making mini cakes. I got them in red, and then I got them in gold, and then I also bought these little tiny ribbons right here that I'm gonna glue to the top. And then I do have a Cricut maker, so I am gonna be able to customize them. So again, just to go over what I got, so I got these sticker decals here. These are gonna actually go on these cups. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but they're actually glitter cups. There you go, you can see it. They're glitter cups. They actually come with lids and a pink straw, and we're gonna put this on there. So we're actually gonna do that today on the video where I talk a little bit more about what else we're gonna be doing. But again, I got these sticker decals. It's gonna go on the cups. We got some t-shirt print here's, which I haven't decided if I wanted to do strictly t-shirts. I might do like a canvas tote bag and stuff it with like teddy bears and candies and give it away or sell it. And then I do have an extra, so I got 3 altogether. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. Either t-shirts, 2 t-shirts, 1 t-shirt in a bag, or maybe if you guys have some ideas of what I should do with the third one. I did get this cute little coffee cup, you guys. I had to get this for me. I'm like a coffee cup addict, and this is like so cute. It did come with a little gold spoon, but believe it or not, I already lost it, y'all. Shaking my head. And then I got this cute little jar here that I will probably just put in candy for myself and have sitting on my desk. Give it to my kids, whichever. So again, we're gonna go ahead and flip the camera around, and we're gonna make a cup today, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me and show you and talk a little bit about what I plan on doing with these cups and how I plan on to sell them and make money in my business, and kind of give you guys a little price of how much I pay for everything. All right guys, so we have our cup here. So basically what I'm going to do is take the sticker sheet that I got here and open it up. So yeah, I get these sticker sheets from all types of places online. Shein, sometimes Temu, sometimes Amazon. I do have, again, a Cricut myself, so sometimes I make them. I can show you guys a little bit of other projects that I've had. I did some Mother's Day cups last season, and I plan on doing them again, along with some keychains. So normally I would have something to set this cup on, then I would place this on here, and then I would roll it as I go around. But tonight I don't have nothing, so wish me luck. I do have my son here, so maybe he can help hold it for me. And then all my Cricut people know, or my transfer people know, that you do need to have some type of little sponge to kind of help smooth it and push it along as you go. So yeah, we're gonna get it started. All right, so again, I'm gonna set that there, hoping that it doesn't roll everywhere. Now with these, they can be a little bit tricky. I am not even gonna lie. I am still learning, so they're kind of hard to peel back, but the sticker itself sticks to this. And then you're gonna wanna kind of peel it up a little bit to kind of get some type of, you know, length to be able to pull. Then you wanna kind of center your cup. Where do you want your design to be, right? And then, Ray, can I have you hold the bottom of that? Hold still. Okay, so I'm gonna try to place mine kind of like in the middle, and then roll as we go here. So let me place it down like that. Now I do have my scissors, and the reason why I have my scissors is because more than likely what's gonna happen is it's gonna wrap around, and I don't want it to overlap. So if I have extras, I can cut it off and use this other part for something else. I do have like plastic shot glasses or wine glasses that would probably be really cute that I can throw in the other items that I'll be selling. So I'm gonna try to smooth out as many bubbles as possible right now. You truly don't really know till you go back to peel it, and then you have to kind of smooth it out from there. So I'm gonna keep going. All right, now I'm going to roll it some more to kind of give myself more room. Oh my god, I think it's already crooked, guys. Ah! Okay. Let's see if we can pull it up some. Shoot. Okay, nope. Okay. Oh my gosh, no. Oh my god. Okay, let me take it all the way off. Yeah, you see how crooked that is? I'm telling you guys. But, and I think if I could push this L back up. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, okay. So we're gonna have to make the best of it, right? So we're gonna make it so like the design goes off the cup. Maybe. Like it's one of those ones that wrap up the cup, if you guys know what I mean. So, yeah, guys. See, these things can be very tricky, and putting them on anything that's oval or round can be very hard, but I'm going to try to smooth this out as much as possible. I do have like that crease right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, which is going to cause it to kind of layer, but okay. We got more than one cup, and we got more than one transfer, so there's more to the madness, right? So if we don't figure out with this one, we can sell this one for less, or, you know, give it away and keep trying, because in businesses or in ventures, you're going to have times where you fail and you learn from these mistakes. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like it started and then it wraps up around the cup. So still not super bad, but this is the part that's tricky, the pilling part. So, and it did kind of overlap, so you want to make sure you find the side that's overlapping or it's going to rip off. So let's go very slow here. Let's not lose any product. Oh, we lost a star. We lost a star. Oh, and I think we overlapped the other way. Lord Jesus. Okay, I don't know, guys. I don't know what happened there. I can't see where that overlapped. So we'll just take the scissors. We'll cut for right now until we figure out where that overlapping is. That way we don't ruin too much more of these. And like I said, I do recommend going as slow as possible because you don't want to lose any of your design. So we'll cut this outward to get around that since it overlapped. Okay, we're gonna cut again. So now it's no longer connected, and then we can begin to peel from down here. Again, you're gonna wanna try to go slow as possible because the faster you go, that's the risk of tearing off your designs here, and we want our designs. Now, I do recommend as much as you can to try to smooth the decal down, but then you don't want to do it too much because it might stick. So like that one wasn't quite pushed down, but I just pressed it and it stayed. So far so good, other than that overlapping problem we have here. Get that out of the way. So now we're going to get down to the main portion of it. You see the E here? I don't know if you guys can see it. Where's it at? It's kind of bubbled up. I don't think you guys really see it. But I'm going to kind of smooth that out. Smooth out that heart because it was kind of lifting. And then just keep pulling, guys. So the actual decal itself is coming off very well. This is actually better than the last ones that I had. They were ripping tremendously, so I'm happy with that. I'm happy that the designs are actually staying on. I think my problem is I need to get me one of the cup holders. If you guys ever seen people do this, there's actually a cup holder that you set it in and has two sides so it doesn't move, and then you apply it and then roll it over and then apply it to the other side. Here it's kind of like on the computer desk, it can roll. So all right, I almost got it all the way off here. Okay. Oh, we lost a little, I think a star, but that's fine. Now, I could either stick with the design that's on here, or I could take my Cricut and get some pink vinyl and try to press it out and add more to it. All right, guys, so this is the cup. This is the design. Now, it didn't do horribly. Like, I could even take some white vinyl right here and customize this and put a name if I wanted to try to make up for the space. It probably wouldn't have did that if it didn't get wrapped sideways. But yeah, this is the design, guys. It is going to come with, it does come with a lid. It does come with a lid right? And then it'll come with a straw as well. So this will be the whole cup design initially. But then again, like I said, I'm going to go to the store. I'm going to get some clear bags. I'm going to stuff them with candy. And then I'm going to either give these away like that or give them, not give them away, put them in myself for about $5 or $6 a piece, because I got a pack of these. I got, I think, about 6 cups for like $5. The decals were like 2 for $1.50, and so on and so forth. So that is my project idea for the cups. Candy cups that you can use for the holidays and personalize if we have a space, or even if I wanted to add like a name down here, we could do that. All right, that's the cups, guys. Next, we have the mini loaf pans. So we started Sweet Treats last year, where we were selling crunch cakes, crunch jars. We did, what were they?
We sold candy bars.
We sold candy bars,
Drinks.
and then we also made
Those cotton candy Skittles. The ones that she made.
But what was I making in the jars?
You made the popcorn, and you made the
strawberry crunch
cakes in the cups.
Yeah, I made strawberry crunch cake cups, and then we did peach cobbler ones. So with these, I plan on taking the mini cake pans, right, and making like personalized little cakes. They come with the lids. See my vision. They come with the lids, and then again, I can either just sell them like this with the ribbon that I got. I bought these in bulk as well. I plan on taking my super glue, hot glue gun, or even a glue dot, and then placing a ribbon on it like that, or to the side, and then selling the crunch cakes like that. It's gonna be super cute. We're gonna do Oreo crunch, we're gonna do strawberry crunch, and then we're gonna do a peach cobbler as well. So again, we're gonna do these mini cakes in the red color. I believe we got like 15 of those, and then we got gold because it's a neutral color, because, you know, just because it's Valentine's Day doesn't mean everybody likes red. So we're gonna do the gold ones that are just like the red ones. And then these are so cute, guys, and they're so effortless to make, and they're so fun. Like, you can even give them to your family members, go to a bake sale, and because they're like miniature personal size, you don't have to charge a lot. You can literally sell these for maybe like $3 a piece and still make a profit, because like one box of cake is literally going to fill like all these pans. Same thing with the jar of frosting, sprinkles, all that. And then again, we're gonna throw on a bow to it, and then, like I said, with the Cricut, I can personalize it and put a name. But yeah, guys, so this is pretty much my plan for the Valentine's Day haul. Outside of the t-shirt decals that I have, which are these love ones right here, I really don't know, again, what I want to do as far as making this a t-shirt or a tote bag. Let me take it out so you guys can see it without the sticker. So this is what they look like, and again, you can transfer this onto a t-shirt, a canvas bag, anything that has like a material, cloth-like material. Now, I don't have a heat press large enough for this, but when the other ones I got, it actually gives you the instructions on how to use these with your regular iron from home. And nowadays, you could pick up an iron from the used store, even if you're wanting to start a t-shirt business for under $5. And it literally has the instructions where you just put it face down like this onto the t-shirt, and you iron it, and you leave it on there for about a total of 30 seconds, and you gotta wait for it to cool down, and then you peel it off, and it goes on the shirt like really, really well. So yeah, it's either gonna be a canvas bag with like a stuffed animal and some candy and some flowers, or t-shirts. But yeah, guys, this is my haul here. So we're either gonna do the t-shirts, canvas bags. We're definitely going to do the mini cakes. And then again, the cups. So if you guys got one that you guys think I would do better at out of the rest, drop a comment down below and let me know. If you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see whenever I post. And I do want to thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.